Snapchat app not working on your Android? Hi there, this is Erin Linda, and here is how to fix your Snapchat not working problem on your Android device. To solve the problem, just follow only 3 processes. So let's get started. First, you need to check the Snapchat server. If the Snapchat server doesn't work, you won't work properly. To check server, open a browser on your device, type www.downdetector.com, now type Snapchat. Check the current status from here. Now you see there is no server issues with your Snapchat apps. After solving the issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Snapchat apps, tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start, tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, enable Location, go back. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, enable all the setting. Now tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type Snapchat, and quickly check for a new software update for a Snapchat application. Now check your issues. Now if you still have any issues in your Snapchat, please tell me in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching.